Krebs cycle is also known as TCA cycle due to the production of option A citric acid, option B malic acid, option C succinate, option D oxalotic acid. The correct answer is option A citric acid. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte in option A magnolia phyta, option B thallophyta, option C pteridophyta, option D bryophyta. The correct answer is option D, bryophyta. Which monomer did not make up DNA? Option A, deoxyguanilic acid. Option B, deoxythymidilic acid. Option C, deoxycytidine acid. Option D, deoxyuridylic acid. The correct answer is option D, deoxyuridylic acid. Which of the following is known as mermaid's wine glass? Option A, Edogonium. Option B, Fritiella. Option C, Chlorella. Option D, Acetabularia. The correct answer is option D, Acetabularia. Cell wall rigidity is mostly due to the presence of option A, lignin. Option B, suberin. Option C, pectin. Option D, cutin. The correct answer is option A, lignin. Which of the following is a tetraploid? Option A, Triticum aestivum. Option B, Triticum sphaerococcum. Option C, Triticum monococcum. Option D, Triticum durum. The correct answer is option D, Triticum durum. The site of photoperiodic perception is option A, leaves. Option B, flowers. Option C, root hairs. Option D, fruits. The correct answer is option A, leaves. RNA splicing involves joining of option A, introns. Option B, introns and exons. Option C, amino acid. Option D, exons. The correct answer is option D, exons. Chilgoza nuts are obtained from option A, Pinus roxburghii. Option B, Pinus gerardiana. Option C, Cedrus deodara. Option D, Pinus excelsa. The correct answer is option B, Pinus gerardiana. Calvin cycle occurs in option A, chlorophyll molecule. Option B, thylakoid membrane. Option C, cytoplasm surrounding the chloroplast. Option D, stroma of the chloroplast. The correct answer is option D, stroma of the chloroplast.